Welcome to AlgoRisk AI, your intelligent assistant for generating high-quality, hallucination-free model documentation instantly. One of the biggest challenges in regulatory model documentation is ensuring consistency, accuracy, and alignment with regulatory standards without spending weeks drafting it manually or relying on generic AI outputs that often hallucinate. AlgoRisk solves this with a powerful retrieval augmented generation engine designed specifically for risk and regulatory models. You begin by building your RAG knowledge base. This is where you upload key documents that you want the AI to rely on. These might include regulatory guidelines like SS123, your internal model documentation templates, audit frameworks, or any other reference material. The platform indexes these documents and uses them as the factual basis for generating content, eliminating the risk of AI inventing unsupported explanations. Once your knowledge base is ready, you move to the Model Documentation tab. Here, you can upload the actual materials for your model, such as the model code, model outputs or results, and even sample datasets. With one click, AlgoRisk automatically analyzes this content and generates a structured, section-by-section documentation file that mirrors best practices and regulatory expectations. From model purpose and methodology to assumptions, results interpretation, and risk considerations, everything is auto-generated in a professional audit-ready format. But that's not all. AlgoRisk also includes a full validation and compliance engine. After generating your documentation, you can assess its quality by checking it against key validation principles, including regulatory guidance like SS123, ECB guidelines, or internal policy rules. The platform highlights which areas are fully compliant, partially compliant, or non-compliant, and provides clear suggestions on what needs to be improved. This means you can not only generate the first draft instantly, but also iteratively improve it based on live validation feedback. With AlgoRisk AI, model documentation becomes faster, smarter, and more reliable, allowing you to focus on model quality and governance, while the platform handles the heavy lifting. So, join for free and try yourself.